I'm Gagandeep Kaur. In last video we have discussed about future continuous tense, and today we are going to discuss about future perfect tense. So let's start. Future perfect tense is used to indicate an action which is promised to be done by a certain time in the future. Format of future perfect tense is subject. Sentence will start with subject. Subject could be noun or pronoun. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal, things, and the word which replaces the noun, that is called pronoun, like he, she, it, they, etc. Plus shall or will, plus have. We have to use have with singular subject or plural subject. Plus verb third form means past participle form, plus object. Now look at the example. I shall have completed the assignment by Monday. I is subject, shall as it is, have. Completed is verb third form of complete, and then object. Next example, Alex will have submitted the tender by tomorrow. Alex is subject, will as it is, have. Submitted is verb third form of submit, and then the tender by tomorrow is object. Next example, they will have finished making the bridge by January. They is subject, will as it is, have. Finished verb third form of finish, making the bridge by January is object here. Now move to negative sentences. In negative sentences you can see format is same to the previous format, only we have to use not between shall or will or have. Now look at the example. I shall not have completed the assignment by Monday. So after shall, not. Next example, Alex will not have submitted the tender by tomorrow. So after will, not. Next example, they will not have finished making the bridge by January. So after will, not. Now move to interrogative sentences. Format is shall or will plus subject plus have plus verb third form and plus object. Now look at the example. Shall I have completed the assignment by Monday? Question mark. Shall as it is, I is subject, have completed the assignment, object, and then after that question mark. Will, next example, will Alex have submitted the tender by tomorrow? Will as it is, Alex is subject, have submitted verb third form, and then object, and after that question mark. Next example, will they have finished making the bridge by January? Will as it is, the subject, have finished verb third form, making the bridge by January is object, and after that question mark. Now move to interrogative negative sentences. Format of interrogative negative sentences is shall or will plus subject plus not plus have and plus verb third form plus object. Now look at the example. Shall I not have completed the assignment by Monday? We also put question mark after the interrogative negative sentences. Next example, will Alex not have submitted the tender by tomorrow? Question mark. Next example, will they not have finished making the bridge by January? After that question mark. So I hope you clear what is future perfect tense. In next video we will discuss about future perfect continuous tense. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.